Are you beating the market, or does the passive ETF have the edge? Most people never really know. They check their portfolio value, maybe compare it loosely to an index, but they never properly test what would have happened if they'd put the same money into a passive ETF on the same dates. That's exactly what Finawaken Portfolio does. It's a portfolio tracker built to answer that one question properly. The feature takes your real cash flows, your deposits and withdrawals, and replays that exact same pattern into a benchmark, an ETF that tracks the wider market. That gives you a true like-for-like comparison between your active stock picking and a passive strategy. Once you create your account, your default benchmark is Vanguard All World. But if you go to your profile, you can select from a full list of ETFs. All of them are accumulation ETFs. Since they already have fees and dividends built in, that's what makes the comparison genuinely fair. Once you've selected your ETF, head over to the Transactions tab. Here you can use our Import CSV feature. Right now, Trading 212 is the broker we support, with more brokers coming in the future. And if your broker isn't supported yet, you can always add transactions manually. I'll select Import, then choose my Trading 212 file. I'll pick Trading 212 as my broker and set my account type as Stocks and Shares ISA. Then I'll press Preview. This shows how many lines will be imported. If your file overlaps with a previous import, don't worry. The tool automatically handles duplicates, so only unique transactions ever get added. Once I confirm the import, the transactions come through, and this is where the engine reviews each action and replays it into your chosen ETF. Vanguard All World, in this case. Now, if I head to the dashboard, you'll see it's fully populated with key indicators about your portfolio. Most importantly, it calculates the current value of your portfolio based on your actual transactions, and what that same money would be worth today if it had gone into the passive ETF instead. In my case, I'm beating the market by 3%, or around £135. If you head over to ETF Simulation, you can see every single deposit replayed as an actual buy in the ETF. This is exactly how we calculate that passive strategy equivalent. So, lucky me, I'm beating the market today. Once you try it, you might find you're beating it too. Or, just as usefully, you might find out you're not. And that's exactly the kind of honest picture Finawaken is built to give you. As a quick reminder, past performance is not a reliable indicator of future results, and Finawaken is for informational purposes only. This isn't financial advice. If you want to check where you really stand, head to portfolio.finawaken.com. The link's also in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers.